Hello guys, this is God's Power again today. So I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money online. I'll show you top 5 ways that you can make money online for free. So all you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end and watch it to the end and learn something from this one. I'm going to show you top 5 ways on how you can make money online for free. So for those of you who have entered this year, for those of you who celebrated Christmas, happy Christmas, happy New Year, and I wish you more blessings, and I wish you more greater things this year. So yeah, I will say let us move to my computer and I will show you step by step now how you can make money with this step by step guide for free. So top 5 ways that you can use to make money online. Hello guys, so you already know what I said, so I'm going to show you the top 5 websites that you can use to make money online for free. So you can see on the screen here, this is the first website, which is called Swagbucks. So Swagbucks is a very simple website that allows people like you and me to go participate in offer, download application, use a particular services, and you are getting paid in return for doing that, like shopping online, buying something online, spending your time watching video, downloading application, using application, taking surveys. You are getting paid for just doing that. So it's very simple, and Swagboss will still pay you money to sign up in a particular website, to give out your email, to search on Google Web. Swagboss will pay you for doing that. So all you just need to do now is to try the website out, do your research about Swagboss, and try it out and see if it's what you have to engage yourself into. So we are going to move to the other website. Before we move to the other website, I know you'll be wondering, how do you receive your money on Swagboss? How you receive your money on Swagboss is very simple. You can receive your money by Amazon, PayPal, a Visa card, and a lot of ways that you can use to redeem your money. So they have multiple options that you can use to redeem your money if you have the minimum amount of cashing out, which is if you have $5, if you have 500 points, you will have $5 into your account, into your paper account, or convert it into Amazon. That depends on you. So we are going to move to the second website. So as you can see, the second website is called TimeBox. TimeBox is a very simple website that allows people like you and me to come and participate in offers. So what they do, they can allow you to watch videos, complete surveys, do tasks, write articles for clients, and you are getting paid. And TimeBox too will still pay you like a Swagbox. To refer people, you will get 15% commission into your account. As you can see at the bottom here, you see that they will pay 15% commission for referring people to this program, lifetime commission from any that the person is earning from TimeBox. If you ask me, all those websites I'm talking about, have I received money from those websites? Yes. If I've not received money, I will still tell you. Some of you have already watched the video where I talk about how you can make money with Swagbox, or how you can make money with TimeBox. So let us move to the other website. And no, before I move to the other website, how can you receive your money on TimeBox? How you can receive your money on TimeBox is very simple. It's by paper, or you can decide using Bitcoin. So that is all. That is on you. It's not on me, but it's on you. You can decide how you want to use to receive your money. I always use Bitcoin because it's fast and it takes just a week, because TimeBox is paying out every week. So once you hit the minimum amount of $10, you will now be enabled to receive your money if you have $10 on your TimeBox account. So that is the things I need to talk about. Like I said, your payment method is legit. Their payment method is legit. You just need to go try TimeBox out, do your research, and see if it's what is good for you. So we are going to move to the third website, which is HideoutTV. HideoutTV is a very simple website. This is my favorite website that I have been using online and making free money. So all I do is to allow this website, which is HideoutTV, to run on my computer. On my computer. So what I do, how I make money with this website, is to create my account and log in and click on any video, and more I'm watching more videos, more I'm making more money. So that is it. It's very simple. All I do is to start watching video on TimeBox, and I will make money for just doing that. So that is all I do on TimeBox. So if you say, let us check how many visitors that TimeBox is getting. If I click here now on TimeBox here, if I click on it, I think it's loading now to show us the amount of people that is coming to TimeBox. As you can see, the website is ranking in US. So yeah, as you can see, TimeBox is getting 1.4 million visitors every month. You can see it at the bottom here. So the duration is 51.16. So yeah, as you can see, TimeBox is really going high, it's going up and down. Sometimes I think it's going to 1 point something million, sometimes it's going high up to 2 millions. You can see here. So yeah, TimeBox is going up and down, and but is a cool website and is recommended, and you can try it out. So that depends on you. So what how this website work, which is Hideout, sorry, I say TimeBox. How Hideout TV work is it allow you to watch video. So all you do on Hideout TV is to watch video and you make money. So that is all you do on Hideout TV. So you watch videos and you can convert the money into paper cash, or depending on how you want to transfer your points. So that is on you. If you want to watch full videos about every one of the website that I'm talking about on this video, the full video will be on the description below if you want to check it out, or you just want to sign up directly. So the fourth website that we are going to talk about today is called TopCashback. TopCashback is a UK website that allows people like you and me to make money for free. So all you just need to do, go and sign up on TopCashback and start making free money. So what they do on this website, they allow you to make money from anything you do online. Let me say you are that type of person who like paying your taxes, you like paying your expenses online. So by doing that, TimeBox will pay you some percentage for doing all those activities. You want to pay your light bills, you want to pay for electricity fund, you want to pay for gas bill, you want to pay for house rent, all those kind of things. Those websites, they partner with Top Cashback. And what Top Cashback do is that they partner with them, and any commission that they get from anybody that pay them through the link that they give to you, that they give, yes, through the link that they give to you, you will now see that you'll be making money. So if you go through TimeBox, once you sign up, the homepage is huge. You'll find a bunch of things that you can do on Top Cashback. So it's very, very simple. So once you do all those things, you will get your money paid either by paper or by a gift card. So if you have the minimum amount to cash out, you can receive your money either by paper or by gift card. That depends on you, or by bank. It depends on you. So yeah, that is how you can receive your money on TimeBox once you have the amount of cashing out. On Trustpilot, they have 222,000 review on Trustpilot. eBay is their top brand, and the brand that is partnering with them, you can see eBay is there, and other companies are there too, which they didn't put there. So yeah, that is what I need to talk about Top Cashback. So we are going to move to the last website. So this is the last website, which is called Honeygain. All of you have heard me talking about Honeygain. Some of you that is already a subscriber on my YouTube channel here already heard about Honeygain and how you can make money with Honeygain for free. So I know that you have heard about this, so you can go now and start using Honeygain. For those of you who have not started using Honeygain, you can just follow the link, will be in the description. Click on the link. It'll be only one link that have all the whole website. You can still find other websites there too. So it's one link that will take you to all the whole website. So don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description below. It will be the first link. So how Honeygain work is that Honeygain allow you to make money online. So you allow Honeygain to run on your smartphone, on your computer background, and you are getting paid for that. So to sign up on Honeygain is very simple. If you click on this section, you will see that Honeygain will pay you up to $5 for just signing up. For joining Honeygain, you are going to get $5 for joining them. You can see it at the bottom here. So all you need to do is to join Honeygain and see if it's what you really want to get involved. So try it out. It's not that I'm forcing you to do any one of those websites, but I'm just giving you my own opinion about them, and I'm using them, and I have used them. I have received money from each one of those websites, and I have made the video. Some of you have already seen the video where I show proof where I received payment from each one of those websites that you are seeing on the screen. But I've not made video about Top Cashback. So I have to be honest about that. I've not made video about Top Cashback where I receive my money, but Honeygain, TimeBox, HideoutTV, and Swagbucks, and all those other four websites I have already shown you how I receive my payment and how much I get from it. So I will say thank you very much if you watched this video to this part, and don't forget again to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I will make more video better than this that will come to you soon. And yeah, I will say see you on my next video, a way on how you can make money online. Don't forget again, smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my other video.